Thanks for watching. My name's Paul from Dynamic Heating and Cooling. One of our clients has asked us if they can retrofit their heater from one of these old Braemar manual type controls to one of the new U-Butte Wi-Fi Nest controllers. We think it's going to be a pretty straightforward job. So we're going to do a few bench tests here and guide you through. So if you decide to do it yourself, make it nice and easy for you. So here we go, we've opened the box up and this is the base plate. So the wires that we need are RH and W1. They're the existing wires on the wall. W1 is the switched wire, RH is the constant 24 volt. So we need to establish which one that is. So RH, we connect a multimeter probe up to the earth on a power point nearby, or an extension lead if you need to, and then we use the other probe, put it on the wire, and we're trying to establish which one has got 24 volts on it. The one with 24 volts goes into RH, the other one goes into W1. So that's the two wires on the wall now from the existing thermostat worked out. Now the C and the asterisks, they're to do with charging the onboard battery. Now you can either look at the unit's got a USB in the back of it, micro USB, where you can charge the Nest controller up independent from the wall. But if you're going to be using it with a lot of network stuff, it's going to really chew through that battery, and you really need to consider this constant charging system. So what we've done here is we've looped a wire between C and the asterisks, and then we've run a wire back from that to the neutral side or ground side of the 24 volt transformer. By doing that, the controller will be in constant charge on the wall while that power has been provided to it. Okay, so just about to fire up the controller now. You'll see that the LED above the Nest logo is flashing to indicate searching for the network as well. We haven't got that set up at this stage. We're just going to worry about the bench testing configuration. As you can see on the multimeter there, even though we've got no call for heating, we've still got a residual output of 14 volts. Now, I think that's just due to the solid state internals in the Nest controller, and once we get a load on there like a gas valve or something like that inside the heater, that'll come down nice and quick. You can see it's starting to drop away now quite slowly. Alright, so we don't need to set the time there, so we'll just bypass that for the moment. And the controller is saying there that it's 9 degrees set point, and the room temperature at the moment is 21 degrees. Okay, so to bring this unit up into heating, we've got to get above that set point of 21. So we'll just give that dial a turn up. We'll get it above the 21 point, and then the unit will go into heating mode. The screen goes red to indicate we're in heating mode, and as you can see on the multimeter here, we've now got 27 volts output. So that should then go out and switch the gas valve and start the heating cycle up. It's also, if you have a look at the screen on there, it says in 30 minutes. So it's got a 30-minute override, and then after that 30 minutes, the system will revert back to its programmed mode. So that's just a manual override we've done for a short period of time. And the screen now has gone into a sleep mode there to preserve the battery life. If we want to adjust it back down, just a matter of touching the screen, winding it back down, and there we're in the off position again, back to 14 volts, which like I said is that residual voltage. So yeah, look, all works quite well. I'll leave the networking up to the client of ours. He's going to set all that up to with all the passwords and things like that. But look, from a first inspection here, I think it's quite a good little control. It seems pretty straightforward to retrofit from a standard 2-wire thermostat. So yeah, I'll give it the thumbs up, and hope this video has been informative for you. And if you find it a bit difficult, give us a call. Happy to come out and do it on site for you. All the best. Bye.